Greetings, dear students. Let's solve this question together. This is mathematics, and the question you are seeing here is from 2021 GCE. Find the integral of 10x to the power 4 minus 4x plus 3 over x to the power 3 with respect to x. The question is from a topic called calculus. So this is calculus. Now, the moment you see this symbol here, it means you are dealing with what is called integral calculus. Not differential calculus, but integral calculus, or others say integration. This symbol you're seeing here, it means integrate. This is an integral symbol. So you are asked to integrate what you are seeing here. Is that clear? Now remember, we have what is called differential calculus. When we give you something like this, let's say 4x to the power 4, then plus 3x squared. When we ask you to find dy dx, find dy dx, what are we asking you to do? We are asking you to differentiate. So this is differential calculus. Differential calculus is opposite to integral calculus. It's opposite. So, there are four signs that we consider when you're dealing with these two. The signs I'm talking about are these. Remember, we have plus, we have minus, we have multiplication, we have division. And so, differential calculus takes two, integral calculus takes the other two. When you are differentiating, we use multiplication and subtraction, because you'll be able to say 4 times 4, that is multiplication, then this power subtract 1, that is subtraction. Integral calculus, we use the remaining two, which is addition and division. So here we'll be using addition and division. Is that clear? Now how do we apply them? We start. Remember, you differentiate term by term. It means you also integrate term by term, like that. So I'll start with the first term, 10x to the power 4. Remember, these are the ones that we're using. So I'll write this 10 here, 10x to the power 4. I'll add. Here we are subtracting 1, so here you add 1. I see that? Add 1, then divide by the answer that you are going to find here. What is 4 plus 1? 5. You have integrated the first part. We'll just be able to simplify it. You go to the next part. Negative or minus 4x. This x you are seeing here as a 1. Are you seeing that? According to the laws of indices. So this has got a 1. So we're going to add 1. Then the result here, divide. 1 plus 1 is 2. I'm done. I'll go to the next part. 3 over x to the power 3. So here what you need to do is to change using indices. You change so that the x comes behind the fraction that you are seeing here, like this. It should have a coefficient in short. So I'll be able to change this 3 over x to the power 3, like this. How do I change? I'll say, where there's a 3 here, I'll push this 3 in front so that it becomes 3 times 1 over. When I push it in front here, there will be a 1 that will remain, so it will be 1 over x to the power 3. I see that? Then I'll say 3, this 3, times 1 over, according to indices, 1 over means what? Negative. Or 1 over means minus. So this 1 over you're seeing is minus. It means that minus will be added to the power that you're seeing here. Are we together? So now this 1 over will change and I'll have x. This 3 will be negative 3 because of this 1 over. So when you're dealing with calculus, you should have done index notation or indices. You will understand this better. We don't just jump into calculus without indices, without coordinate geometry. These two are applied. So I have changed this now. I can multiply this. This will be 3x, like that. 3x to the power negative 3. Now it is this part that I'll be able to integrate here, not the way it is. So when I integrate this, I'm going to have plus 3, this is 3, then x, then negative 3. Remember, plus what? Plus 1. Divide by the result here. Negative 3 plus 1 will give me negative 2. Are you getting that? Then you have differentiated term by term. The next thing that you are going to add is a c plus c for constant. Why? The type of integral calculus you are dealing with here is what is called indefinite integral calculus. It has got no limits. So when you see where they say you evaluate, there is a 2 here, there is a 4 here, it means that one has got limits. But with this one, there are no limits. So there should always be a C on your answer. You leave out this C, we might be wrong. Just like that. Is that clear? So here now we can simplify. How many 5s are in 10? We have 2 of them. So we have x. Then here it will be 5 minus, how many 2s are in 4? We have 2. We have x here. What is here? 2. This positive or negative will result in a minus. I see that? Then I've got 3, 4. I can now perform some calculations here. So I'll be 3 over 2, then x. What do I have here? Negative 2 plus c. What will be my final answer? It will be 2x to the power 5 minus 2x squared minus. So look at this. Yes, it is okay leaving your answer there, but it is good you leave this power in positive form than the way it is in negative. Okay, so you can change the way it is negative, you can change it to positive. How? Again, this is indices I'm doing. So what I'll do here is 3 over 2, I'll write it here, 3 over 2 x to the power negative 2. I want to change the power to positive. You see that? So I'll be able to say 3 over 2 here, there is multiplication in between here. You see that? Then this negative, remember I said negative means 1 over. I see that? 1 over. So the negative, just negative here, it means 1 over. Then I'll have x, this will remain a positive, like that. Then I can now multiply what I have here, which is 3 times 1, it will be 3. So I have minus 3 over 3, and 2 times x squared, it will be 2x squared. Like that. You have changed now from negative to positive. Plus what? C. This now is your final answer. I hope this is clear.